I've located the leak just above this front leg. I've cut an opening through the side of the tank. I've had to cut through this frame, take a piece off, and the leak is just hidden here. So this frame will have to be rebuilt afterwards. This tank has been repaired before. That's the original repair weld. And I'm going to be welding all these spot welds here. That's the one that's leaking. I haven't repaired this before. Got the leak welded up and some of the other spot welds. Also got this plate welded in. Now I'm going to weld another plate that will sit against the evaporator up here. That's the next plate in. It's just tack welded in at the moment. And I've got to make two gussets that slot in those gaps. And the gussets will be welded to this plate, to the end of the channel and the underside of the channel on both sides, and to the underside of this plate up here, and that the gussets will support that plate. Got the gussets made. And just slot in that gap. One in that side as well. That's the repair finished. That's where somebody repaired it the first time. This is where they cut through the panel. Anyway, I've completed my repair on that leg. I've pressure tested the tank, the evaporator, and found another leak. Behind the panel near the back leg. So I'll have to come back another day to do that one. Located a leak behind this panel, and it looks like it's been cut out once or twice before. See where it's been cut under there. So I've marked a line here where I'm going to cut it. See what we find inside. Got the panel cut out. You can see where it was cut last time. It was cut along there and also underneath. And that's where it was cut up the sides. That's where it was repaired last time. And I think the leak is lower down this time, behind this frame. So I'm going to have to cut this away. Got the frame cut away. That's the spot weld that was leaking. I welded all these others as well. I've also welded around the previous repair. I'm going to rebuild the frame now, like I did at near the front leg, and I've just pressure tested the evaporator, got the frame repaired. Now I'm going to put the insulation in, weld this panel back in, then I shall grind the weld off and polish it smooth. Got the panel welded back in, just starting to grind the welds smooth. This is where they cut it last time. There's nothing I can do about that. I welded the joint that they left along here. They left a big wide open joint, so I've managed to weld that up. So I'm going to finish grinding this weld smooth and then polish it. Right, that's the job complete on this corner. You can see where it was cut previously. Whoever did that repair actually cut it out in 2 sections. You can see where they've cut it along here, and they've also cut it underneath there, and they went up there, on up there. I've actually cut it a bit further out. I made the cut up here and along here somewhere, across the top there. Anyway, that's that complete.